not doing my video. This is week 5.
What?
Week 5 of my videos.
Week 5?
Yes. Every week I post a video.
Ah.
That's why I always have the camera. You're on the video.
Oh.
Not just now. You are now. And on the other, week 1 or 2. When we were walking with the donkeys over there. Remember the donkeys?
Yeah.
I like to do the videos because a lot of people don't think you can travel, especially now, because everyone is always complaining about the recession and I don't have any money. But you can travel with little to no money. And you have to work. Huh?
You can demonstrate this.
Yeah, and I demonstrate, and then a lot of people say, well, I have children, I can't travel, it's impossible. And then a lot of black American women, they don't travel. I mean, internationally. Fear or whatever is the reason, I don't know. But I always tell them, you know, you should.
You can.
And you can, exactly. Almost. Is it close? Yeah. So now I'm going to try to cut this top part, these branches you see, with these tools here. And hopefully I don't cut my fingers off or any toes. So see you guys in a little bit. This way?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, wow. Timber!
I get this euphoric feeling for 2 seconds and then...
that euphoria turns into insanity.
Snail.
A snail? Okay.
Save the snail.
Save the snail, Mama. Save.
This is my second snail saving.
Turbo 2. Go, Turbo, go!
The snail's not in there anymore.
Oh, he's dead. Oh, that's
I made some earrings out of empty snail shells. I have some pictures.
I think I'm gonna keep the snail.
Give it to Dito then.
No, but it's alive still, right?
No, she said he's gone.
Well, you can.
Video, not a picture. Dito, say hi. I knew Dito before she was famous. This is the proof. She drew a picture of me while I was sitting at the table. See?
This one is over.
Miana, I have the artist's permission. And if I don't, oh well. You gonna sue me, Dito?
No.
Okay. Okay, so Dito just made some, cut up some beets. And hi, Dito.
Hello.
And I'm going to try to use these leftover beets to color my enormously small earrings. Dirk cut some wood pieces for me. Here they are. And I'm going to try to use this beet root slice to color this and use it as an earring. Okay, I'm going to make all these earrings and necklaces. This is ash wood, and you need to put it in a secret spot for 2 years, said Dito, if you don't want it to bend so much. This is fresh ash wood. This is beetroots. Goodbye.